Indian Nursing Council amasung Manipur Nursing Council anina recognized tawraba amadi Manipur University amasung RIMS Infalda affiliate tawraba Thoubal District ke Yaripokta laiba Universal College of Nursing ki ahumsuba batch ke B.Sc. Nursing maheiroisinggi lem lighting amasung or taking itarong ngase college asig auditorium da pangthokkhrae Thramadu da Deputy Commission Thoubal hanakamai IAS na thawam mitung Universal College of Yaripok Chairman Professor Dr. Nimai Chan Luwang na thoramapu aduga Manipur University Controller of Examination T. Santi Kumar, RIMS Hospital Infal Chief Nursing Officer SMT and Ivemhal Devi amasung Universal College of Nursing Yaripok Principal SMT Professor T.H. Nandrani Devina akhanaba mitunglen simuna saruk yaki athaba mitunglen gi warolda DC Thoubal hana kamina hakibada ngasi B.Sc. Nursing tamliba maheiroising asi nongmodi soidana mathau toroktuna lamdam asigi achogo thalong larokadoribani manam asida miyangmi seba tawbada matam chupada momon nuklaga nuksina tawbiba mathau tai loina isagi thodang matam chupada chap chana tawnaba honnabiyo haiki
noina mi oi bagi say as a nurse, when you complete your courses, you will become a nurse, you will be serving the needy people, you will be the hope of the people. Aduna adugi hope do kaihan gano haibdo haijage, and I believe that as you continue with the experiences that you have completed, that you have gained, you try to gain the confidence and trust of the people, and hope though you are the hope of the sick people have the patient among you hope to oigini